Okay, this right here is called the Ascott Hotel, and there's a bar up there called Heart Bar. It basically is like a rooftop that look up into the sky, basically. I don't think you can really see much because this building is over here, directly over here, but we're gonna kind of walk around this area and show you what it's all about. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's the Ascott. Let me just kind of show you a little bit of this. So we're kind of in this area right here. There's this street's called Rua Cidade de Braga, named after a street in Portugal. And then this street, there's McDonald's, and you kind of got your black and white. And then the MGM is over here. So MGM Casino. So you got that right there. And there's a waterfront over there. That's there's a Guanyin statue. I think we can see it from if we go down the street a little bit. Wynn Casino. So anyways, our focus today is going to be this one, Ascott. So we're going to kind of stroll down a little bit and just see what's across the street here. Okay, so there's the Ascott. You can see way up there it says Heart Bar. So I don't know if I pause this or not. So usually I pause it and I'll record for the second video, and then I'll put a breaker in between. Anyways, see some trees up there for the Heart Bar. Ascott is written way up there. It's a pretty nice hotel. It's a little bit expensive, which means that it's probably pretty nice. Let's just see if we can see anything around here. Down this side street, there's a Portuguese restaurant and Italian. There's right there, it's the Italian restaurant right there, and they have a little bit of a bar. That right there is a Dom Gallo Portuguese restaurant. There's a Chongqing Gaga, that's a Chinese restaurant. I like Dom Gallo a lot, the Portuguese one, and that whole floor is the Italian one. So you'd have that if you were at the Ascott. Plus you'd have those casinos down there. Those are apartments above that particular casino. And yeah, so around Rua Cidade de Braga. Let's just kind of go a little closer. So this is the street that this is on. Ascott. Let's just kind of see what's across the street from it as well. So those restaurants down there's a waterfront. They kind of have this it's not quite developed fully. There's a big barrier gate at the end that could overlook an ecological zone. And then there's this little thing right here too. I heard that it was sold to somebody. They didn't run out of money or something like that, and then they have to wait until it goes back to the city or something. Then try to sell it again and give up another idea with it. So there's the Ascott. So maybe we'll just go down and kind of follow that a little bit. There's the Arc, that big yellow casino up there. So that's not too far from Ascott Center, Ascott Hotel. This is that parking lot. You can see some of the dinner part right there. I don't know if you can see through that glass window, but you can see some bright lights on. It looks like it's set up for some nice meals. The Arc. So this area is called Nape. Over there is called Zape. Zape kind of has a lot of cheap casinos and cheap hotels, and this has more expensive casinos and hotels. They're just right across the street from each other. So that white building is on that side. I think that might actually be maybe President Casino maybe. And then that's MGM in the background. And then there's our Ascott, our focus one. That's it. Big lot. And now we're on Rua Cidade de Porto. So you can see one thing that you might notice is that the streets are named after cities in Portugal. So this one is Cidade de Porto, and the other one is Cidade de Coimbra, I think. Can't remember. There is a Coimbra on here too, but some of them will have names of Portuguese cities as streets. So they'll say Cidade, which is city, Cidade de Porto, Cidade de Braga. And so that's the Ascott down that way. Okay, so I think what we'll probably do is we'll just end this one right there. So that's the Ascott, and that'll be the end of ours, and that's some other casinos down there too, MGM and such as well. okay. So let's end it right here.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.